Hi, I'm French people. Come sort of friends with Harrington. Yeah, nice guy. Follow up on YouTube channel.
Yeah,
subscribe.
check it out. Subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, bro.
Hey. Yeah, like and comment. Yeah. Hey, what's up guys? This is Arrington at Arrington's Adventures, and today I'm about to go try surfing for the very first time. So I'm vlogging off the GoPro today. Alright, we just made it to my surf school. Check it out. These waves are pretty big. I'm hoping that I don't drown today. Nah, I won't. I should be fine, but yeah, check it out.
Here we go. Nice, stay where you are, stay where you are. Stay where you are. Well, man.
Hey guys, today we're headed out to Waterbomb Water Park. It's supposed to be an amazing water park, and it's about 30 minutes away from my villa, so I'll see you guys there. Peace. Alright guys, I just arrived to the water park. Check it out. About to meet the homies. Alright, we just made it into the entrance of the park. It looks very nice here. Very nice. And now I gotta go find my friends. I don't know where they're at. Check this out. Check it out, they got a volleyball court in here. Hey! Check this out. Oh! Yeah, Mexican food, Indonesian food, Japanese. It's hard to choose. Full of fresh coconuts, 32,000 rupiah. Oh, these ones are huge. Hey, got some mee goreng right by the volleyball pool.
là-dessus.
Check it out. We got like a little park right here. Nice. And we're about to go play some volleyball. So we just finished at Waterbomb Bali, and now we're about to, you know, get home, get changed, and then go to Fens Beach Club. So the party's so nice. The Airbnb owners leave out some food for the dogs. What's up, buddy? What's your name? Hey, hey, hey. What's your name? What are you eating on, some rice? Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Today I'm super excited because I'm about to go to Uluwatu. I've been wanting to go here for a while. That's where the beaches are super nice. We're about to head over to Padang Beach at Uluwatu. It's supposed to be super nice. About to meet the boys, and then we're gonna head out, and we got about a 40-minute drive, so I'll see you guys there. Peace. So hot. We're about to head over to the cave right now over there in the corner. Surprisingly, the water is a little cold. Hey. Woo. Out here at Uluwatu. Hey.
Let's go! Wellington, let's go! Whoa! Yeah, just 3 meters. In France, 12.
No.
Hey!
Hey! So right now we're going to jump again.
Fais un truc.
C'est quoi?
Tu dis, pensez-vous que Hamilton va sonner? Il va sauter?
Do you think Hamilton is going to jump?
I don't know.
I think he's going to. Hey guys!
Hey. Little baby coconut. Wow. Look at this beach. Hey, look at this restaurant. Hey, check out this spot we found. We just had to pay 100,000 Indonesian rupiah, and we can chill at the pool. 100,000 is about $6.90. Hey! What's up? Hey. Chilling by the pool.
Alors, mon rapport de stage va être composé uniquement de piscine et de plage. Tu vas faire un rapport? Hey!
Hey!
What's up, man?
What's up? What's up? It's chilling in Uluwatu.
Uluwatu. That's my place now.
Hey, it's about to be an exciting day today. We're heading off to Bali Wake Park. It's supposed to be like a little wipeout looking course with the balls and everything and the slides, and then you also can go wakeboarding, which I've never tried. So this is about to be so much fun. I can't wait. So I'm about to go meet up with the boys again, and then got like a 40-minute drive from their hotel to the wake park. So see you guys there. All right, we made it to the wake park. Hey. Hey, we got the whole park to ourselves right now. Got here as soon as it opened. Oh, pool's there too. Oh. Oh, look, a bar. Oh.
We can eat.
Yeah, we'll eat here. Yeah, that'd be fire. Oh, warm, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Oui! Yes!
Oh! Oh! All right. See if I can make it. We are so tired now.
Dead.
Oh!
Let's go to the pool.
This is a workout. I think we're done with the aqua park part, and now we're about to do the wakeboarding after.
Yeah.
Huh?
Wipeout.
Wipeout park, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I could be on Wipeout anymore. I always said I could do it, but. Jump, jump! Woo! Alright, peace out, Wipeout course. This water is so warm. They actually, they use salt water.
The video. You have to watch this video and be able to swim before entering the course.
Alright, we're in the beginner line right now.
Pro lane.
Alright, Jeremy passed the test.
Can you move, please? Reste debout, reste.
Wow.
Ton dos il est trop en arrière là, attends.
Oh! Come on, Eric. C'est un tour complet?
Ouais, donc c'est bête alors. Là, j'ai voulu faire un saut, là, j'ai fait des sauts. Yes, up, up.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hey.
Go on.
Mm.